So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to turn on Face ID login here on the Questrade application. So once you open up Questrade, what I want you to do is to go to the top left and press on the three lines. Once you're on this screen, go to the middle top area where it says settings and press on settings. Once you're here, where it actually says security right here, you have trusted devices, biometrics, or two-step verification. I want you to go ahead and press on biometrics. Now, once you're here, it says login with Face ID. So if this is green right here and there's a check mark, that means that Face ID is selected. If you turn it off, for instance, you won't be able to turn on Face ID login. So if it's off, for example, it'll appear like that. If you turn it back on, you can go ahead and accept it this way, which I will do right now. I will press on accept. Face ID setup successful. Face ID is now set up and enabled for your Questrade account, and it is back on this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to turn on Face ID login here on the Questrade application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.